Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today is day one of my Valentine's Inspiration series. This series is designed to give you ideas and inspiration for all of your Valentine's crafting. So let's dig into our stash, get creative, and share the love. We're going to kick off this series with some candy boxes, and I have two examples to show you. This is the first one that I made. And I did follow a tutorial from Sam Colcott of Mixed Up Crafts, and I will link the tutorial in the description box below. But it's this sweet little, I think she calls this the Book of Love, and isn't it though? Looks like this on the back. That's where I put my little sentiment. And this image I found for free online. And I just fussy cut it out, and I went around the edges with some Versamark and heat embossed this right here with, it's like a coppery kind of a color. And this is a rose gold foil from my stash, which I embossed. And these flowers are stickers from Recollections. I don't have any more to show you of those, but they came packaged like this. This is just another color that they came in. This ribbon is from Offray. Purchased it at Joann's. And these little embellishments, they are sparklets. These are from Buttons Galore. So you just untie this ribbon, and it opens up like this. And I just thought this was such a cute idea. Each of these little boxes that you create holds a Ghirardelli chocolate square. I've also made them in the past where I have used like Dove chocolate hearts. So your options are pretty much just limited to whatever you can fit into the size of this box, but the Ghirardelli chocolates fit perfectly. I would open it up and show you, but mine are glued shut. So this one is ready to gift. This little heart right here, this is a die from my stash. This was from a Crafter's Companion advent calendar, and the little key that cuts out is what I used on the back right here. I just thought that was really sweet. Just stamped a sentiment on there. And it's just a quick and easy little project, great for using up your scraps, which is what I used for this, so I don't have that much to show you. Now this heart paper, I did pull that. That is from this Kingston Crafts paper pad. I really like the weight of this paper, and what's fun about this paper is that you've got a smaller scale and a larger scale of each of the designs, so that makes it so easy to work with, you know, for whether you're doing cards or albums. So that is my first example. I'll set that over to the side, and let's get into the next one. Next, I made this beautiful, larger size candy box. Now this is made out of chipboard, and I followed a tutorial from the Posh Paper Lady, which I will link in the description box below. I think it's just stunning. It is very substantial, like I said, made of chipboard. And I covered it with paper from, let me show you the collection that I used. It's a Valentine's collection from Anna Griffin called Vintage Valentine. And this is a really nice weight cardstock, but it was flexible enough that I could wrap it around the chipboard without any cracking, so I really appreciated that. To decorate the front, I just used this heart-shaped doily from my stash. And this is a chipboard piece from another Anna Griffin collection. It's like it's a Valentine's kind of like topper collection. or ephemera. I can't recall. I did not pull it because actually I am using it for another project right now, so you will see that in an upcoming video. The dies that I used for this one also are from Anna Griffin. They come from this set. I'm not sure what the name of it is. And then this one is also a part of that. So you can see I used that right here, cut it out in both the shiny gold foil cardstock and in the matte gold. Just offers a nice contrast. Used a little bling from my stash. This heart is this one right here. And so the lid just comes off like that. So the back of it is just covered. And it's just, you know, just a really nice presentation. And these are the chocolates. I purchased these little cups, candy cups, online. And I got those on Amazon. And I just filled these with some chocolates. My initial intent was to fill them with Hershey's Kisses. And I found that they're just a little bit too tall for this box. So if I were to remake it for that purpose, I would take that into account when determining the measurements for these side pieces. That would be the only thing that you would need to change. So just know that. But these like Dove chocolate hearts, they fit in there just fine. And these are glued down to the bottom, but the bottom is also removable. So you could use this box for another purpose just by pulling up. Let's see where it is, right here. I put a ribbon, I don't know if you can see that right there. So this whole thing lifts up. And the recipient can use the box for another purpose. Both of these projects were quick and simple to make, and I really hope that my examples have inspired you to give them a try. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!